Konnichiwa. So I'm Acne. I'm actually Julia's new student. You can see, right? Actually, I got a lot of problem on my skin. You can see I got blackheads. So I'm very happy today. She's teaching on how to take care of blackheads. So you look forward to her video, yeah? So I just want to say hi to you, and then if you have any questions, you can ask her later you can comment on it, the video, and then you ask her what's all these things about. If you're very curious to try the product, so you can also ask her, yeah? So thank you so much for watching, yeah? I'll see you soon later, yeah? Hi everyone, do you miss me? I just came back from Tokyo. I'm enjoying my trip. I was going to so many places, and my sister and I, we enjoy shopping so much that we walk about like 15,000 steps a day. Oh my goodness, I think we burn about 150 calories a day. It's not a lot actually when you walk. Okay, good. So today, right, I'm going to teach you how to remove your blackheads, because I noticed that even if you're in Japan, or you're in Tokyo, or you're in Korea, every of us suffer from blackheads. So I'm going to teach you my version of how to remove blackheads using Mary Kay products. So I have already washed my face using the 4-in-1 cleanser. This is the one, okay? Then after that, right, I'm going to use my renewing gel mask. Today, actually this month we have a special, sorry, not this month, last month we have a special promotion. Anyway, yeah, so I'm going to use this gel mask, renewing gel mask. It has lavender, vitamin E, a lot of calming effect, soothing effect. For this is very good. I used to use for at night. If I watch like Korean show late at night, I'll use this one, a thin layer overnight, so that it will help to remove, it will help to prevent formation of the pimples, because sometimes when you sleep late at night, right, like past 12, right, definitely you will have breakouts, yeah? And then I'm going to use my deep cleansing charcoal mask. This one has kaolin inside to help to absorb all the impurities that's on your face, and also it helps to remove all the blackheads, whiteheads, impurities on your skin. It's like a vacuum cleaner, super strong vacuum cleaner, and it's very surprisingly very hydrated, suitable for everybody to use. So I'm going to do it on because I have a lot of blackheads on my nose. I don't know whether you can see, so I tend to suffer a lot of blackheads. We always call it the strawberry blackheads nose. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. So I already I'm going to use a gel mask, a thin layer. Okay, the reason why I use gel mask, right, because it helps to hydrate this area, because I'm going to do a slightly much more deeper cleanse than the normal, just using this one to remove blackheads. So, and then I'm going to use my blackheads, this charcoal mask. You can use it all over your face actually. So I'm going to apply this for about 10 minutes. I'll see you in 10 minutes time. So now after 10 minutes, right, it's dry a little bit, so I'm going to wet my brush. I'm using the latest Skin Invigorate brush from Mary Kay. This one is exchangeable blackheads, it's exchangeable heads, like this, okay? Okay, like this. So when you press, you can press the first button, and then I wet the brush a little bit so that I could do this on my skin. So you can see it vibrates this way, so you can't see it on the invisible eyes, but under the microscopy you can see that it actually vibrates this way. So what I'm doing now is it helps to intensify the cleansing part, so I don't have to, it's painless anyway, so you don't have to squeeze the blackheads, you know what I mean? I really hate the part that you squeeze your blackheads, because there's also a post effect to squeezing your blackheads, because what if you press too hard, and then the epidermis area, that means the surface area of the skin, breaks, right? And then the pores are open forever, you know, you can't really reduce the size of it, you know, because I hate it when we sometimes go to those therapists and they are not so experienced, and then when they squeeze for you, oh my god, there's a scar. So I have 1 or 2 scars on my nose right now because of the over squeezing. Yeah, so let it do for about 1 minute. If you are kiasu like me, you can do for about 1.5 minutes. Okay, so I like to do this for about twice a week. Okay, but if you have sensitive nose, you can let me know, and then I will advise you whether you can use it or not. Yeah. Okay, so like this, and then I'm gonna wash it. I'll see you later. So voila, you can see this is my nose done already. I don't know whether you can see clearly. Sorry for the camera not so clear enough, but you can see that my blackheads are much more lesser to me, I can see, and then the pores are smaller, not so clogged, because you know, usually when you do makeup every day and you fail to cleanse your face, right, properly, you end up with all this impurities on your face, blackheads, whiteheads, clogged pores. Yeah, so it's best to do this like 1 week twice to get rid of the blackheads on your nose. Because sometimes when I see okay, let's say sometimes I will be at MOS Moss Burger, right, and then I see some of the staff, they have a lot of blackheads. I felt like offering my help to them. So if you have any friends who have, you know, who have lots of blackheads and you want to help them, right, please tell them to contact me, or you can make an appointment with me, so that if you're not served by any Mary Kay consultant, you can contact me, and then I will go to your house or go to your office to teach you how to take care of your skin. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. And then for me, right, after that, I will always put this purifying serum here, okay, on my nose. It depends on your age actually, so I will teach you different way of applying which serum on your face, right? Then, you know, I will apply my moisturizer. Then after that, I'll apply my moisturizer. Okay, so if you have any friends interested to learn how to take care of the skin, okay, and then you can actually send me there to their house to pamper them with a free facial. This is my service to my customers and my audience who is watching this. Sorry, applicable for Singapore and Singapore and residents who stay in Singapore for now. Send me to your friend's house to take care of your friend's face. And then right now I have a promotion. If you organize with 3 friends, I'll give you a gift as well. Oh, I forgot to mention, in summary, this is what I used today. I used my cleanser, this one, okay, and then I used my renewing gel mask, this one. Okay, and then I use my charcoal mask today, this one, and then I use my cleansing brush, this one, today, for the whole treatment. So if you have any questions using the products, right, or you're interested to use the product, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video is useful for you. Please share and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye!